With Gesipa cordless blind rivet setting tools, the inventor of battery-powered riveting technology, you are flexible and independent. AccuBird and PowerBird operate with high-performance lithium-ion batteries with high output. The 4 interchangeable nose pieces and the installation wrench are stored on the tool and allow a quick changeover. The AccuBird processes blind rivets up to 5 mm diameter in all materials and 6 mm in aluminium, as well as bulb-tight blind rivets up to 6.3 mm diameter in alu and steel. The PowerBird processes blind rivets of all materials up to 6.4 mm diameter, as well as blind rivets up to 8 mm diameter in aluminium. The PowerBird Gold Edition provides even greater setting power. The following hints and tips apply to either the AccuBird or PowerBird series tools. Here they are at the example of AccuBird. The battery needs to be fully charged prior to the first use. The appliance is now operational. The integrated suspension loop allows the user to work on a balancer. The largest nose piece is installed as standard. The operating instructions will illustrate if it is suitable for your blind rivet. If the nose piece is too large, this may lead to deformed setting heads and malfunctions at the setting tool. To change the nose piece, unscrew it with the installation wrench. Then choose the appropriate nose piece and insert it. In order to assist the insertion of the new nose piece, hold down the release button during the exchange. Once the nose piece is screwed in completely, release the button and secure with the flat wrench. Insert the nose piece, which is not required, in the magazine and close it. Working with the AccuBird and PowerBird is easy and flexible. The spent mandrel is automatically dropped into the spent mandrel container with a tilt movement. Make sure that the spent mandrel container is emptied regularly. The blind rivet is held in the nose piece prior to the setting process at every position of the appliance with an optionally available retaining nose piece. Regular cleaning prevents malfunctions. For safety reasons, always remove battery before cleaning. Release the head with a number 27 flat wrench. At this stage, you can now also remove any deposits in the head. You can now clean the jaw housing. Oil the jaws, and grease the plastic ring. If you use the appliance continuously on a daily basis, we recommend regular maintenance and cleaning of the entire jaw mechanism. Release the jaw housing with a number 14 and number 17 flat wrench. You can now remove the jaws and clean them. Check the condition of the jaws. If a replacement is required, always replace the jaw set. You can now grease the jaw housing. Insert the jaws again. and screw all parts in place. Do you require special nose pieces for your application? For all special accessories, please see the current price list and the Gesipa website. Gesipa wishes you years of fun at work, reliable, practical, in proven quality. Gesipa, the professionals in blind rivet technology.